Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back out here on my local system, the Barwon River. I've come down the front to try and find some cleaner water since the tide's not really pumping yet. Going to be throwing around that atomic crankbait again because I really want to catch a trevally on it. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully great success and bigger numbers than last week.
I don't know what they are. Yep. Yeah, it's a trevally. Saw that one on the screen.
Was it different to all the other ones?
It's just like that stuff moving through.
Hell yeah.
Hope I'm filming. No scent required. Running up current, Jesus. Might be a half okay fish. You see him on the scope. Up current.
Might be a good one, bro.
Might be a good one.
I guess
Keep casting if you want.
yeah? You reckon he's still wild off?
Yeah, he's still well off. I can net him myself anyway.
Where's he go like?
There he is. Oh no, that's another trevally coming through. Try and figure out where your lure is.
I cast it straight out. Oh, big
Oh,
one.
nice. Nice.
Did I hook him or something?
No. No. Oh.
PB?
Could be. It's a good fish.
You want a hand or are you going to be right?
Ah, I'm alright. I just got to get him up. He keeps putting his head down. Nice. Yeah, that's a chunk, bro. Awesome.
What's your PB?
51.
Oh, it's going to go close.
Yeah, gee, that's thick. $45-ish. Killing grill.
Oh, PB?
For you?
51?
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
What?
Stretched it out, 51.
Bloody hell. I didn't realise it was that big.
Hell yeah.
On a photo?
Yeah, I better get one if that's alright.
Yeah. I'll go and stand where you are, or I'll stand down the back and we'll get the sun on him. That's massive.
You got the same size?
Nah, that's huge. Look at the size of that thing. Need a bigger net. New PB upgrade?
Maybe.
Because I don't want the bloody water all over my carpets. Wonder if they're using that current line with the dirty water.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Yep.
Nice. Nice to see you.
Thank you. This one's not very big, I don't think.
Oh, I didn't think mine was very big.
The head shakes are crazy though. don't think it's very big. No, it's not. Quick release, fantastic. Nah, it's gone.
Oh, perfect release.
Yeah, I know, I didn't want that one.
Perfect release.
Did not want that one. Yeah, you're right. They're out on that current line.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's been poaching his spots. Yeah, as you do. Like every time he posts
Yeah.
an Instagram story, I'm trying to figure out where he's catching them. He's always on them. He does really well. Bit of a bass hook set on that one because he was swimming with it.
Oh bugger, we just missed the double.
We just missed the dub. It's not big though.
That's alright.
Nothing over 45 in the esky.
Double release.
Oh, it's a tailor or something.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're kidding.
Nah, I'm serious. Or is it salmon? It's a sea run brown trout. No, I'm kidding.
Is it actually?
No, it's not.
Is it Taylor?
I think it's a tailor. Or is it a little Jew?
No, I had a full Taylor.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it's Taylor.
Taylor, where? Do you want the net? Or you got it under control, or you need it?
I want him to come off more than anything.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to touch this thing, they stink. Get in the boat, bro. It's a good one too.
Yeah.
How good is Z-Man's? Not a mark on it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it is a wind knot. Oh, shit. Yep.
What happened?
I realised I forgot a spoon for my breakfast.
Oh,
How the hell am I going to eat a bowl of yogurt for breakfast without a spoon? Oh. I'll just wait until we go back to the car and I've got spoons in the back. That sounds like a good fish over there. Old mate's on. Oh no, he's not. I thought old mate was on. On the paddleboard.
oh yeah.
Yep. Oh, this is ridiculous, bro. Another. Oh, it's a little one again.
What, a little fish?
Yeah. Go away, little fish. Shit.
That didn't sound good.
The fish hit my line and then the rod hit the pole. That's why you shouldn't have live scope. Because it's cheating and it gets in the way. New favourite Trevally plastic unlocked.
What's that, the badge?
Yeah.
Do you even use the mad wags anymore?
Yeah, I've got them in my bag. It's just that they get torn up and they're so expensive. Like, if they're on, then I'll just use a Z-Man.
Yeah.
Because the the Mad Wax just dies so quickly.
Yeah.
Like, it's one fish and they're done.
Water clear, isn't it?
It's heaps clearer.
All the boys in one spot.
Yeah.
How good. At least everyone's catching.
Bit crowded. Too many cooks in the kitchen. Yep.
Hey,
Little again. The big fish are over there. Get up, you little. I'll let it sit there, and then when you get in, yours in, we can have a photo. See if I want to leave the crank.
Oh, true.
Yeah. Yep. Nice. Get that up, you Trevally. Still got one sitting on the deck for the photo. Oh no, get off the electric. Oh, get away from each other. Might be an alright fish on the crank.
Oh, is that on the crank?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I knew they'd eat it.
Was it a good eat or did it just like...
Nah, just a load up. Yeah. Oh, it's not even big. Damn.
No photo?
Nah, I'll get a photo. I'll see if I can get a better one though.
So I'll kill it and put it in the box?
Yeah. Have you been slitting their gills too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So have you played around with it much, like zooming in to
Yeah.
10 meters? Do you get a better image and stuff like that, or is
I'll
it
show you if you want. Look, like you can expand it out to like
Oh wow.
be like
Yeah.
in tight, like that's
Yeah.
so we can see everything on the whole screen.
Yeah.
But, you know, we've only got 20
Yeah,
meters,
Probably casting further than that, aren't we? Yeah.
but it's best to have it like sort of set consistently, and then you're not like
Yeah, true.
thinking about, oh, how big is that fish? Like if you've always got it set at like 28 and 10,
Yeah.
you know that that's not a mullet swimming by itself. You can tell that that's probably a Trevally, you know, because you can see how big it is. School of something coming through.
That was a good call.
Yep. I didn't think that was Trev's though, the school that I saw.
Yeah, right. Might need a swap in a sec.
Oh, the tailor hook in the arse.
Nah, we can't do that. It's cooked in that. How's the cue?
Yeah, I know, the cue's cooked. There's fish coming through now.
Whereabouts? Straight ahead?
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, straight ahead. Oh. Oh, it's little. It's little. That's not little. That's big.
Swap.
Yeah. Oh, there's a big school of something. Yeah, huge. I don't know what they are.
Is that just straight out the front?
Yeah.
Might be behind them.
I might be too far in front of them. Yeah. Oh, they're little salmon. Ripped him in your mouth just about.
So what do the cod look like? Do they look like a cod?
It's like 3, yeah, like kinda. Depends on how the scope hits them.
Oh, really?
But it looks like 3 like moving jointed bits when they're swimming.
Yeah. But like you'd look at it and you'd say, oh, that's a big fish. Are you, yeah, I was going to say
Oh my god, this thing's taken off. Oh my god, is that a Chewy? Ah, good call to come over here, I reckon. Can't be that big.
On the bad shot. Up on the flat. Hell yeah.
Not turning him. Nah. Oh well, enjoy your last moments of swimming, brother.
Where is he?
Straight out the front of the boat. Out that way. Go back to the hard body after this. They're going to eat it like that.
At least you're probably a bit shallower for the hard body, aren't you?
Yeah. Can see him on the screen. There's fish everywhere.
Oh shit. Yeah. Well, it's a good reference for you to see it on the screen.
Yeah.
Get an idea of the size. Oh shit, look at all those fish.
They're following it around.
Ah.
Cast down there. They're 5 meters that way. Oh, what a tank.
Wow. That's a good one, bro.
Oh, get off the electric. That was close. Get off the boat. Oh, he's barely hooked. Nice. That's a tank.
PB?
Oh, I'd be
What's the
close.
PB?
51.
Fuck. That's beating 51.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a slab, eh? That's huge, bro.
That's like 55.
No, it's,
Oh,
it's
what?
50.
It's just thick.
Look how deep that fish is.
He's a thick boy.
That's deep as. Oh no, it is 51 and a half.
Oh, okay.
Can I get a photo,
equal
please?
PB?
Yeah,
Apologies.
it's alright.
Actually, if you hold him, if we swap spots, because you're in the shade.
Oh yeah, that's better.
Heaps better. Geez, the head on it's got like... God,
Yeah, he's all
big
humped
hump.
up.
Yeah.
Look how fat it is too. It's going to be some good fillets.
Yeah.
Just chuck it on the deck or something. Thanks. Oh shit. Bananas don't stop you from catching fish.
Yeah. Heaps of them there. I cast it into them 3 or 4 times. Probably beat your PB in weight then.
Yeah, I reckon it's a bigger fish.
Holy shit, look at this screen.
Yeah, it's cooked, eh? Let's go. Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need that. The refusal makes me think it's brim and perch. Plus the dirty water. Oh, there's one on it.
Yeah. Oh.
Called it.
Perch.
Yep.
Hey,
Told ya.
Cool. How did you see? That's impressive.
What
Did
is?
you see your plastic
Yeah.
sink down?
I saw my plastic working its way along the bottom and then saw a fish move behind it.
Interesting.
That's a football, eh?
Oh my god. That's a big bird.
Told you they'd be a school of perch. Oh, he just shat. Look at it. This one has to be a stocked fish.
Alright, so I'm actually filming this outro the following weekend after the fishing was filming. I didn't end up filming an outro on the same day like I would normally do because we were in a hurry to get home. Ben had to get back to Melbourne and I was hungry as for dinner. But yeah, we absolutely flogged the Trevally in the morning. We caught 3 or 4 fish in the 50s and a bunch in the 40s. And after we got sick catching them, we went up above the lake on a bit of an exploratory mission, which was cool. It's my first time going up there. Ben's been up there doing fish surveys, so he knew what it was all about, which was handy. Managed to find a few perch and bream on the scope, but only got 1 to bite. So yeah, very successful day at fishing. Also wanted to say thank you to everyone that reached out after my last video. It's pretty awesome seeing the few people that have also caught some nice perch down in the salt part of the Barwon. So yeah, hit me up on Instagram if you want to chat fishing, because I'm always keen. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.